Have you ever been in a situation where you needed cash but didn't have your card on you? It can be a real hassle, especially if you're out and about and don't have time to go home and get it. In today's world, we're all becoming more and more reliant on technology. We use our phones for everything from banking to shopping. But what happens when you need cash and you don't have your phone or your card on you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use commbank's cardless cash feature to withdraw cash from your account without using your card. This is a great option if you're ever in a pinch and need some cash quickly. Steps. Open the commbank app on your phone. Tap on the cardless cash tab. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Tap on the Generate Code button. A code will be displayed on your screen. Go to an ATM and select the cardless cash option. Enter the code that was displayed on your screen. The ATM will dispense the cash you requested. Tips. You can use cardless cash to withdraw up to $500 per day. You can use cardless cash at any commbank ATM. You can also use cardless cash to withdraw money from other banks' ATMs, but you will be charged a fee. You can use cardless cash to make purchases at some retailers. You can use cardless cash to pay for bills and services. Cardless cash is a great way to get cash when you need it, even if you don't have your card on you. It's a convenient and secure way to access your money. If you're a commbank customer, I encourage you to try out cardless cash. It's a great feature that can make your life easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional tips. You can also use cardless cash to send money to other people. You can use cardless cash to pay for online purchases. You can use cardless cash to make international transactions. Additional information. Cardless cash is available to all commbank customers. You can enable cardless cash in the commbank app. You can use cardless cash on any device that has the commbank app installed. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.